While watching this video, please note the tall, rugged sawhorses, the aluminum staging plank, the 2x4 bracing on the posts, and the timber braces at the base of each post prepped, oriented, and ready to be handed up when needed. So the first thing, obviously, is to get the beam in place. You'll notice there are two people on each end. Now we roll it back. Watch your fingers and lift it up. One end is going to go in place first. The other one, hopefully there's enough room to fit it in there if you kept your posts at the right angle. So each team places their end on top of the tenon. The next thing that we need, you can see the braces are already up there, ready to go. Pick up the braces. And again, be very careful that they're oriented properly, and the one on the left has the tenon shortened so it doesn't bump into the other side. Watch your fingers when people are putting those braces in, that someone isn't banging and you get your finger pinched. So now down it goes as the brace gets adjusted, as the timber gets snugged up on top of the tenon. Once everything's all done here, our next move will be to unscrew the brace holding the post on the left. Okay, here we go. That brace will now be loosened up, and a big old heavy hammer will come around and start closing up that gap. As you'll notice on the left, the pegs are already started because the holes are aligned, and as soon as that gap gets closed up, close enough to get the point of a peg in there, then off we go, getting all four of the pegs into that beam. Note that the pegs are being installed from the outside of the building toward the inside. When you're placing pegs in timbers on the interior, one peg comes in from one side, the other from the other side, and usually they both are left about an inch extending from either side, although that's a personal preference to you.